Alright, so ChainRulez on VulnHub, right? Let's go ahead and start off with mmap.sn. This will be our fourth machine for tonight. Fourth machine in an hour. Not too bad, I don't think. That's probably this one like right here I'm going to go with. Let's go and rust scan that guy. .41 it looks like. Looks like we do have anonymous login. Let's make sure that's not tricking me. Okay, 2.3.5. That shouldn't be anything exploitable. 2.3.5. Nope, okay. Looks like it's both Frank's website under development, and then we have an Apache website saying that it works. All right, let's go ahead and FTP into there. Anonymous login was on, so we got LSTAC LA. Nothing in here. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and go to Frank's website over there. What's Frank doing here? Let's see what Frank's all about. And then 8081, right? Couldn't make it 8011. That's annoying. Development server. Nothing in there. Okay, Frank's website says under development. Nothing so far. Let's go ahead and nicto it. Do the same thing for the other one. Post image CSS. Looks like we got WordPress on one of them. WP config it looks like. Man, these ones, they love it, don't they? Or is this is a WP site like right here, isn't it, most likely? Yep, it's a WordPress site, I think. Okay, let's go ahead and run, trying to hide it. So that's actually 8011 is actually a WordPress site. They both are. Okay. So let's go ahead and WP scan. Trying to make it look weird, huh? See if it finds it. The website is up, it's not see if we run WordPress. Okay, let's see here. Because we got, is that really the thing like right there? That's super weird if it is. It's 41, right? It's super weird that it's like that. Oh man. Wonder how we're going to work around that guy right there. That's very, 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 very strange. Okay. Just want to make sure there wasn't anything new in there because we're finding some strange stuff in here so far. So, alright. Let's go up here. I'll both of them. So we'll do 41 first. Do a robots.txt here. What if it's the same sign on each side? Okay, that was not found, so nothing here yet. Okay. So it's not the same thing on each side. We got vendor there, CGI bin. Okay. Let's try 8011 then. Okay, looks like we got API here. Okay, so the API we use to communicate with Frank server. Files, that might be a nice, database might be a nice one too. Okay, so it looks like we got an API there, and it's running a few things, right? Well, I'm wondering if we can look at the files with just like a file parameter. So if we go to something like curl, should be tacash, right? And then tac-d file equals etc password. Can we do something like that? And then we're going to put that toward the site, right? So we put that toward their API here. I wonder if we actually need API in there. Slash, I'm thinking files API.php, because that should then call for. Okay, that does work. All right, sweet. Let's go. Okay, cool. So we can get to that. Okay. What else do we have? Database, API, webs, and record. Okay, so now we can now look at that. We have a username Frank, so let's go ahead and see if Frank has a. Let's see if we do something like home frank.sh IDR say. Do something like that. No. Okay. So that one doesn't exist like right there. Now we just gotta figure out where the hell we go from here. Um. So now I'm wondering. We have development. We have Frank here, right? I'm wondering if we got to kind of work on this like a little bit. Let's go ahead and do a var www development htaccess dot text. Might be Frank. No, okay. HTML, or it's gonna be dot htaccess, right? Dot htaccess. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere. So we got .htaccess, so that's in the development one, right? So now, huh? So now we know that HT password, or is it HT? Is it full out password? But should just, or is it not? Period HT password. It's just HT password like this. Should be able to see that. Development.ht password. Okay. Should be able to get something like that for HT password. Huh. PASSWD. HTPASSWD. Okay. I wonder if it's not in development. It should be in development, right? Shouldn't just be like right here. Should be in slash development. Man, that's really strange. HT access we can get to, we can't get to HT password though. That's very, 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 very strange. Okay. So now we need to figure out why we can get to one, not the other. If anybody has any ideas, I will gladly take them. Be more than happy to hear them. Okay. So there's an uploader tool. Okay. Maybe it's not in development. Maybe it's just in HTML. Nope. Maybe we're barking up the wrong tree. I feel like maybe we're barking up the wrong tree here. Because we get to Etsy password, but we don't seem to be able to get to anything else yet. And we got that WP config. Remember that? The # WP config? That was this machine, right? So if we have that, what was that? On. That was our Nicto scan, right? Or if we can look at that, like right there. Is there a # at the end of it also? That's so weird if there is. Development, right? Not developer. Development, yep. Okay. Image. Icons. Index. Index. That's so weird. Oh. There's an index HTML.back. The following alternatives for index were found. Index.html.back. What the fuck is that? Okay. We got a password. You fucker. Why couldn't I drop that before? Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can crack this. Okay. Now we also need to find a page that we can log into. There's like a /logger or something like that maybe? Somewhere? Some of them done really a good, where did this guy stay up here? Nope, not you. I want my Fear Buster. Nothing there yet. Let's go ahead and do a Fear Buster on that one again. Because we saw that API. Hey, you fucker. I wonder if we need to do API. Let's try with /API.ht password. No, still nothing. That's super weird. Okay, so it's Frank, !, !, !. Okay, let's go ahead and just check out port 80 and see if we got anything. We also need to change up the word list here because obviously we have a login site somewhere. All right, there's development. Where is the login site? Was there a login site at the very beginning? Port 80 over here. I'm not seeing a freaking Ascertainment. What's up, man? How you doing? Where is the freaking login? There has to be a, I mean, we have a password now. Unless that's the SSH password, but I highly doubt it. I feel like there has to be, there wasn't, he did say something about the uploads not working, right? So let's go ahead and check out 8011 again. And let's go ahead and use a different word list here. Because he did say something about the uploads not working, right? In development, in the development server, or that he was working on it. Whenever we did it up here, we saw that. Where was that? Right there, the uploader tool. So I wonder if we have something called uploader. Antiprex, thank you very much for the file. So we have a is there an uploader in here, /uploader? No, not there. What about here? No, not there. Okay. So where are we going to actually use this damn thingamabopper we have here? Uploader does exist, okay. Upload? Nope, okay. What about over here? Nope. Okay, so development? Development/uploader? Nope. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this thing just hates me like right now. Because we have API. We have, I wonder if we can actually post into the API, right? So if we do this like right here, right? Can we actually put something into it? Is the next question. So or more if we could find that, it should just be var FTP, right? Or if we can also find that too. Okay, and call for like that thing. But what if it'll just drop it out onto here and actually run it? Okay, so now what I'm wondering is can we actually post something into the API, right? What is his uploads page? The uploader tool. Huh. What would be the uploads? We still need to be able to put it into there, right? Well, it's at the HTTP password. That's why we could have looked in there. There it is. Okay. Um, Get and post. Okay, so we can post. But where? Frank? Frank? No. Okay. Development, Frank? No. How would we be able to do this? Development uploader? Frank upload? Or Frank uploads? Or some dumb shit like that? So can we do uploader Frank upload? Frank uploads? No. This is fucking annoying as shit. Okay. How the fuck are we gonna do this? Do we start sending stuff at the what is it? Do we start sending stuff at the API? We have files. Okay. Yeah, that ain't it. All right. That's so weird. Development. HT password. I have no idea where to go from here. No fucking clue. Okay. Um, so let's try to start just posting stuff, I guess, in different areas and see if there is a Frank upload or Frank uploads. Since there isn't, I mean, we can't find any site. Like that, right? Lowercase x, right? Or is it, no, it's uppercase x for, to call it something, right? Let's go ahead and .git folder. Be really surprised there's a .git for it. There's no .git. Be very surprised there was a .git folder on this thing. We got that shell.php. Nothing. Damn. Okay. I don't think you do something like that. I don't think that's allowed. Yeah. So there's no uploader or upload or anything of that nature, right? That we can see so far. Is there a There we go. Okay. Only JPEG, PNG, and file allows sorry files not uploaded. What's the uploader? Then we'll shall I GIF? God damn it. Let's save that. Place it. Okay. So we try that like right there. Then we try to upload that, right? VulnHub. It's been uploaded. All right, cool. So that's been uploaded to my uploads path. Okay, so I think we're actually on the right path where we did the uploader. Frank uploads. Frank. Okay, there. God damn. That was, of course. Okay, now we need Okay. Now we need to be able to get the reverse shell to work. More of that. Okay, how are we gonna get that to work now? Because we have to name it. I wonder if we do .php.gif. Think we do something like that? So we're gonna try that like right there. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. We're getting there. See, we're always gonna get there. That was easy. That's so fucking annoying. Read it with the API. Okay, we can try that. We're already halfway there, right? Uploader Frank's uploads, right? Let's say we're already. Maybe I should actually listen. Good idea with reading it with the API. There we go. Wow. There we go. Jesus. Okay, cool. Thank you. Which Python? Cool. There we go. Okay, good idea. I think I read it with the API. Nope. Okay. Good freaking idea. Alright. Is I mean, that's a weird one, but anybody know sudo edit? That sounds like that's something we could probably use, right? UUUID. Okay, what about sudo edit? Really isn't something that we could use. I feel like sudo edit's 100% something we could use. I feel like it's really something that we could use. Sudo edit. How are we gonna do this for sudo edit? I'm gonna start reading up on it. Sudo edit. Mwahaha. That's a sudo tech L. That one's with sudo tech L. And we're actually calling to a location for it. So that's within sudo tech L. So now I'm wondering, maybe that might not be the way. That might be a rabbit hole, like right there. Let's do a Etsy cron tab. We'll look at capabilities. I'll see if there's a writable Etsy files. Linux version's out of date. Okay. Oh wow. Whatever this is, full Nelson is highly probable. Well, we don't see anything else. Probably that one. Already got that. Okay. Guess that one like right there, huh? We got this guy right here. Okay. That must be it. All right. Let's see if GCC's on the box first off. We can compile. We can. Okay. So let's go ahead and send this over there. Uh, 35 slash. So doesn't seem to like that now, does it? Okay. That's okay. Two point 6.26 dot 35. That was dot 4. Oh, okay. Under 7618C. Dot 35, right? Let's try something like this. Dot 35. 2010. Okay. Let's go and try this guy like right here. We'll see if we get anything on this guy. There's a lot of people in here. Like enough to where I just thought I got raided. Alright, thinking let's actually look it up. How about that? Let's actually look this one up. We'll see if we get anything on. Generic. Boom. So this one looks like it works for that generic one like right there, right? There was that full Nelson like right there. Yeah, full Nelson. That's really weird. RDS also. So RDS and full Nelson. Let's go and look up that RDS one. See if that's in here. Linux, boom. Kernel RDS. So we try this guy right here. That's a ruby. Let's try this guy right here. So we'll do a quick 15285. Okay, let's go and read it like real quick. See how it compiles this guy. Maybe just a regular compile, it's not showing us anything. So I'm thinking just a regular compile, so we'll try that. Looks like it might be RDS. It's RDS, okay. Woof, man, we are done with that one. That was the hardest one we've done so far tonight. I think that one took the longest too. So we did 4 boxes tonight.